So it's kind of neat how this works. I didn't really get it at first until I actually checked this one out. So your battery cable will now attach here, and then this will attach to your battery. So these stay connected all the time. And actually this whole piece will stay together all the time. All you have to do is loosen this and your battery's disconnected. This side is insulated from this side. You'll see an insulator going around there where these two pieces don't even touch. And it's actually this that makes the connection. When you screw it all the way down, it connects the one piece to the other. I'll just take this out so you can see a little bit better. So you can see there's a insulator that goes all the way around, completely isolates this piece. So it's the threads inside there, and then this top piece here that are connected by the bolt. And that's it. So it's pretty simple. So you know, I needed this a few months ago. I had this starter relay mess up, and my starter kept running after I turned the car on. So the only way to get that to stop was to disconnect the battery, and I didn't have my tools with me, so battery ran dead in a matter of a minute. If I would have had this, I could have just disconnected it within a few seconds without any tools at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Alright, so let's get this done. I've got 13 millimeters, or actually a half inch for my battery. Got my disconnect. This is actually 13 millimeter. And I've got a little 13 millimeter wrench. And I also have some dielectric grease. And then a little battery cleaning tool, although I'm not going to need this. But you may, depending on the condition of your battery. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. And then I'm going to throw this on here. Be sure and put it on right side up. So if you take this off, it may not be readily apparent which side goes up, but it is this flattest side that goes up, not this way. If you put it this way, it's not going to go on your post. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it on completely perpendicular to the side of the battery here, or parallel to the length of the battery. And actually, before I do that, put a little bit of dielectric grease on there, and this will just help keep down some of the corrosion, keep it from oxidizing. Just want to put a little bit on the post here, and a little bit inside here. And just tighten this up. Okay, nice and tight. Now my negative cable, like I said, it is a brand new cable. Still, it has the factory clip over here that clips to the side of the firewall, so it makes it kind of difficult to get around here, but I'm actually running behind this little ground wire so I can get it tucked all the way into the corner back here, and it should line up pretty good with this. Actually, this piece is moving around a lot. I'm going to go ahead and put the connector back in here. There we go. I'm just going to tighten this up. It'll be done. And that's it. Battery's connected. Battery's disconnected. Connected. Disconnected. It's great. Alright, thanks for watching, and look for more videos soon. By the way, this thing was just under $8 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. But this is pretty much the same brand. They sell most of the auto parts sites, and it seems to be just a little bit cheaper, especially if you're a Prime member and you get free shipping. Alright, thanks, and like and subscribe.